Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So you might have noticed I'm a full face makeup kind of gal, but over the years it was such a struggle to find makeup that would literally like melt into my skin and look good, just because my skin was constantly misbehaving. All throughout my 20s and my 30s, I had terrible adult acne. Like literally my chin was covered in very painful cystic acne. And then all over the rest of my skin, I would get these like really tiny hard bumps that would never surface, but you could feel them underneath the surface of my skin. I mean, just overall, my skin was dull, it was textured, it was lifeless looking. And because I can't control myself, I literally would like pick and pop at anything that surfaced on my skin. Now I am 42, I'm about to turn 43, and my skin has never looked better. Which means that all the makeup products I love to apply are finally starting to like lay beautifully on my skin and look the way I want my makeup to look. I credit the texture of my skin and the beautiful condition of it right now, as well as like the absence of any acne, to Paula's Choice products. Now, I don't even remember like how I discovered Paula's Choice because I had never even heard about it. I just distinctly recall like Googling cruelty-free skincare. I also wanted reasonable price points, and I didn't want anything that had like gunky ingredients, including fragrance. So I'm gonna walk you through a full review. I'm gonna show you up close and personal, like how I apply everything for my morning and my evening routine.
Okay guys, so these are the 4 products that I literally cannot live without, and I also found that they work really well together for my skin, which is combination. My morning routine consists of incorporating the serum and this really gorgeous lightweight moisturizer. Now, initially I rinse my skin with CeraVe Foaming Facial Cleanser, which cleanses my skin without drying it out. And then I go right in with the serum. I apply a pea-sized amount, and this stuff has like a tackier feel to it, but it just sinks into the skin to give it an absolutely beautiful radiance, and it also creates a super smooth base for makeup. Then I go in with the earth-sourced natural moisturizer, which is so lightweight but totally hydrates my skin. I can't tell you how many moisturizers I tried and hated before I found this stuff. Everything I tried would just sit on the skin instead of absorbing into it, and then my skin would feel dry again like 5 minutes later. This stuff hydrates all day long, and it doesn't leave my skin feeling greasy throughout the day.
Now, when I was struggling with my acne, you guys, like I literally would go to bed with a ton of concealer on, like anything to try to disguise what was going on my face, because I was so mortified that my boyfriend would see what I looked like in the morning. And then I also had literally tried everything under the sun. I had gone to a dermatologist, I had tried prescriptions, ointments, creams, pills, I had tried Proactive, like anything anybody would recommend to me, I would totally try. And unfortunately, every product I tried just either dried out my skin, or my body's so sensitive to pharmaceuticals in the first place that like the side effects of any type of prescribed product would like totally outweigh like any slight improvement I was starting to see on my skin.
Now in the evening, I go full out. I use 4 products in combination with each other, literally just laying like one on top of the next, and it just creates such a beautiful hydration to the skin. Now again, first thing I'm doing is cleansing my face, getting rid of all that makeup, dissolving it with the CeraVe Foaming Facial Cleanser, and then I'm going in with the Skin Perfecting Liquid Exfoliant. You guys, this stuff is amazing. This is the product I refuse to live without. You leave this exfoliant on your skin and it leaves your skin feeling so soft, it shrinks your pores, and I know it was responsible for clearing up my cystic acne. Now before that exfoliant absorbs completely into the skin, I apply a pea-sized amount of that super serum, same as I did in the morning, you know, just really massaging it into my skin. And it just helps create a barrier of moisture. Oh my gosh, like especially at the nighttime, I love this stuff. And because I really want to moisturize my skin at night, then I also add a pea-sized amount of this hydrator. Now it has a thicker consistency, but it just totally absorbs into the skin and you can literally like feel the hydration. I had been looking for a heavier moisturizer to apply at night because my skin tends to get dry overnight, especially in the winter, but I love this product so much that I just continued using it in the summertime. And to really seal in all those products and like lock in the moisture overnight in my skin, I add some more of the earth-sourced natural moisturizer. You literally have to use the tiniest amount. Like when I say pea-sized, that is more than enough to distribute all over my face and not feel like I'm missing any spots. And then finally, I use virgin coconut oil underneath my eyes. Now this isn't a product from Paula's Choice. I just have always used this for underneath my eyes. I feel like there's no product on the market that can compete with coconut oil. And what I like to do is massage it into my eyelashes to condition them. And then I actually will use a little bit and apply it directly to my eyebrows. Like I swear to God, it helps them grow thicker. And again, really just patting that oil into the skin to let it completely sink in.
The other thing I love is that a little of each of these products goes such a long way to give you like that beautiful, dewy, gorgeous skin look. And also, they play very well with makeup products. Like, I never have to worry about applying my skincare and then worrying about my foundation like sliding off my face in an hour. So that is it. Leave me any questions you have down below about any of these products that I mentioned. This video is not sponsored. I am just like obsessed with Paula's Choice because I've seen what it has done to my skin. And like I said at the beginning of this video, it has never looked better. But in any event, thank you guys so much for sharing your time with me today. I hope you're having a good one and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.